What's up, Maxis? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Polkadot and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. We would really appreciate if you would like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and turn on bell notifications as well. We're posting 4 videos every day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis, and make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment to be eligible. Only 20% of viewers are subs, so please tap that red subscribe button. We've had reports our content isn't being recommended to our subs at the moment, so please hit the bell icon and turn on all notifications so you never miss a video. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description. Before we begin, we'd just like to say thank you so much to all of you for your support. You're all amazing. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So as we can see, as with most cryptos that we've been talking about over the past sort of week or so, and what we've been outlining today in all of our videos, we are seeing this very nice upwards channel of a correction to the upside, and a reversal from this downtrend that we saw for pretty much every single crypto that we've seen, pretty much every altcoin at least. We obviously had this massive downside here, where we did see sort of a double bottom for most cryptos. As we can see, Polkadot is sort of the same as well. And obviously we got this nice reversal with the EMAs flipping bullish, and also breaking out of this downwards channel that we were inside of, that we could quite clearly see there. And then since then we've had this A, B, C, D. As we can see, we're making higher lows and higher highs, which is something that is very important in our opinion, because this means that we're ripe for continuation. It does look as though Polkadot has been absolutely slammed in comparison to most cryptocurrencies. Quite a lot of larger cryptocurrencies seem to deal quite much better with the crash than Polkadot. But Polkadot dumped a massive 72.5% here, which is a huge amount. And it's still down around 50% from its all-time high. So I mean, what an opportunity to get into Polkadot for the long term. If you think Polkadot is a strong project, which we do believe that it is for the long term, we do think this is a blue chipper that's probably going to be around for the next 5 to 10 years at least. It's probably going to be around for the long term. I mean, what an opportunity to get in if you believe in this project in the long term. As we said, we do think that this has probably got the potential to be $3 or $4, maybe even $500 by the end of the bull run, which would be a 10x from this all-time high here. So I mean, that would be a massive opportunity from this price point. Maybe around a 10 or a 20x easily possible in our opinion for Polkadot from this point, especially considering they're releasing their mainnet in the summer, along with Cardano and some other places as well. The Flare network is also going live for XRP, so a massive amount to be bullish on. I think with all these smart contracts launching in the summer, there is going to be a very nice complementary competition going on, where all smart contract platforms are going to start pumping. So in the midterm, going into the summer, basically in the next few months, we do think that Polkadot is going to see a very nice gain as well. And obviously, as its ecosystem starts getting fleshed out, and all the projects such as Polkastarter, Poker Markets, Pokedex, all of these different Polkadot themed projects that are currently on ETH are going to port over to Polkadot. And I do think they're going to start to get a lot of use, because obviously Ethereum's got massive problems right now. So lots to be bullish on in Polkadot in our opinion, and it looks as though things in the short term as well recovering very nicely. But just look at the past day just to get an idea of what's going on. We're seeing quite a similar thing with most cryptos. We have actually flipped bearish on our EMAs, but there does seem to be very low volume and price action in general. And we do think this is probably mostly because it's the weekend, and also there's the Bitcoin conference going on. So there's quite a lot of volatility in the market, but the volume is very low currently. Bitcoin does seem to be shuffling around quite a lot, but no major moves going on. Everything seems to be just cooling off over the weekend, which is quite a common occurrence. And it does seem as though Polkadot's no exception to this. It is just having a little cooling off period here, as we can see. It does seem to be back testing this level here at around $23 to $24 quite nicely, where there's a large amount of structure here, as we can see. So what we'd want to see next for Polkadot is obviously coming up and making this E wave and making a higher high. Breaking through this resistance at $28 would be very key. As you can see, this is historically a very, very strong level of support. We've touched this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times here in the past, 7 times if you include this swing high, swing low action. So historically a very, very key level. So I do think if we can come up, break through this level, we would be looking golden for continuation in our opinion. And obviously, if we continued upwards in this channel for any significant period of time here, we would basically be looking at, by the end of the month, if we continued upwards, trading upwards inside this channel like this, by the end of the month, we'd be looking at levels like this for Polkadot, sorry, Jesus Christ, I've been doing too many Polygon videos. For Polkadot at around $45, which is obviously a major move from here, and that would be a very, very nice recovery. Obviously, it remains to be seen if that's going to happen, but if that was the case and we did trade upwards in this channel that we're creating, things would be looking very good for Polkadot. It remains to be seen what's going to be happening, because obviously Bitcoin is leading the market right now. And if Bitcoin dumps, then Polkadot is probably going to break down out of this channel, as we can see, and backtest these levels here, probably at around $18 to $20. But we are optimistic that Bitcoin is going to continue slowly to the upside, and hopefully it doesn't have another major dump to the downside. Obviously, there's a massive amount of bearishness in the market right now. I think there's extreme fear on the fear index. But this is usually the best time to buy historically. Not financial advice, of course, but you don't want to be buying projects that have already pumped 10x. And the fact that we've had such a major pullback on all these big cryptos that are probably going to be around in the long term, these could be considered really good entry points for Polkadot in the long term. So, as we said, short-term price prediction, we do want to see getting above this $30 level, really. If we can get into this $30 range here and have this full E-wave here, we'd have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 5-step correction, which would be very nice to the upside, as we can see. We do want to see another higher high being made so we can continue this trend, but making higher highs and higher lows, as we can see here. Now the next step is to come up and make this higher high again, so we can continue this trend basically. And as we said, we do think that Polkadot, by the end of the run, it could easily be $300, $400, maybe even $500, especially going into this smart contract launch of its platform that we're seeing over the summer. So that would be around a 20x from the current price, a 15 or 20x, or around a 10x from this all-time high at the highest price of around $500. So very bullish on Polkadot in the long term. Long term, the sky's the limit, really. It's probably going to stick around for the very long term. It could be anywhere from $2,000, $3,000, $5,000, maybe even $10,000 in the next 10 years, depending on how much adoption it gets and how well it performs relative to other smart contract platforms. But we don't think it's going anywhere. We do think this is a project that is going to be very, very, very big in the long term, in our opinion. So that's our update on Polkadot today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comment section below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway of a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money, so there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with Pure VPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.